So protecting the cells from unwanted editing is a good way of sending out information without people modifying the sections you do not want them to modify. In this example, we have a sheet where we want to have the students put in their first, their last name, what their favorite color is, what their favorite movie is, and their favorite food. But when you send out this sheet, you don't want them to come in here after they get this form and maybe mess with what is your favorite movie to something else, add it to something else. So how do you prevent that from happening? The easiest way to do this is all you have to do is select the cells you do not want the students to modify, or whoever you're sending it out to. You're gonna right click, you're gonna put protect range, and you're going to set, and right now because you highlighted them, this is the range that's being protected. You're gonna set permissions. Here it says restrict who can edit this part, this area, and it's only you. You can always give permission to others to be able to edit these. Let's say you're doing this with another teacher or with another coworker. You can give them permission to edit, but everybody else does not have that permission. You click on done, save changes. The other part you might want them not to mess with or to modify would be the one through the numbering system. Again, you just right click, you highlight, you right click, you protect this range, and you can put numbers. And now if you notice here, it goes from A2 to A21. A2, A21, you're gonna set permissions. Only myself can edit that part. So now when you share this document, whether it be as a class assignment, whether it be to your coworker, is it a sign-up sheet for an experiment, whatever it is, you can modify, or you can tell the document what fields you do not want anybody else to modify other than yourself and those who you give permission to. When I send out this document, the only areas that the students or the people who you send it out will be able to modify is this section right here, because all these have been placed on restriction. This can easily be done. You can create a spreadsheet here, maybe some math problems. Maybe you're going to put in the words and definitions for a student. Whatever it is, whatever section you want the students not to modify, all you have to do is highlight those fields, right click, and protect range. Hope this video helps you guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below.